Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to go through the ColourPop mystery box for Valentine's Day. If you are not familiar with ColourPop, it is a super fun, very affordable makeup line. You can buy it at Ulta, you can buy it online through their website, and occasionally they will put out a mystery box. They have been typically putting them out seasonally, so like spring, summer, winter. This is the first holiday one. So generally there's not a theme really for the box. It's just things that they have left over or the packaging has changed. This one I'm excited to find out if it's actually Valentine themed products. So this cost $49 and there is actually a coupon you can usually use when you get logged into the ColourPop website. I think I saved 10% off of this box. So all said and done, it was under $49, including taxes and everything. So that was a win. This should have a $110 value with 8 or more, always full-size products. So, you ready?
Excited. Let's look and see.
So they always come very well bubble wrapped. And behold, you can see just a preview of what we have inside. Oh, it is Valentine themed. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm very excited.
I'm excited.
So we'll see how many products we get and all the fun stuff as we go through. So first thing is a no filter setting mist. So this is a setting spray.
We haven't got one of those from you.
So I have been fully obsessed with one of the little single pots eyeshadows we got in a previous box. I'm wearing it today and I wear it. It goes with everything. It's perfect. So this is kind of a milky looking. Oh, it is very milky looking. It shakes up. So it's a setting spray. I'm curious why it's got a powder. It's almost like a cornstarch settling at the bottom.
Shake it good.
Or
is that just a little?
No, it's definitely shaking in. This one's going to take a lot of set. It's been sitting like that for a really long time. That's how it was in the box, so it may just be that's how much it settled while it was in shipment. Speaking of shipping, normally these come pretty quickly. This one didn't take forever, but I ordered it like on the 28th, and we just got it yesterday, and today's the 9th, so it came. Did we get it yesterday? Yeah.
Day before, maybe.
It came in the last 2 days. But I kept tracking the shipping, and it finally dawned on me they are shipping out of California. And the time that it took for it the delay seemed to be that it took a long time to get out of California and out of the warehouse. So it's very possible that ColourPop is being affected by all the tragedies and terrible that's going on in California. So be patient with them. It did get here in under like 2 weeks, so still good. I've got it almost completely shaken up. There's only a little bit at the bottom, so it's going to take a little elbow grease, but you can get that setting spray going. And this is a no filter, so this should kind of blur you.
A setting mist, a microfine finishing mist that sets makeup with soft blurring powder.
Nice. Oh, it is powder. Okay, so it's a blurring powder. So it's definitely supposed to be that way.
That'll be interesting.
I'm curious to know how that works, especially doing videos. Maybe it'll make me look younger.
You never know.
All right, Krista, grab one.
I'm grabbing this one because it says sparks and it's pink and red and hearts all over. So, you know, I had to have it. Open it first. So let's see what it is.
What is it? Oh, I don't even know.
Oh, glitter!
Holy cow!
Look at all that pink glitter.
That is the spark.
Isn't that
what actually
gorgeous?
is it?
Oh my gosh, what is this?
Body glitter gel.
Butterfly.
Oh man, and it's pink.
And it's so big. I don't know if it's sealed or not, but I'm gonna. Oh.
We have to try it. Oh my gosh, here, put me a dot.
Oh my gosh, look.
You guys, this is going to be so fun in the camera. We have got body glitter out the wazoo with P. Louise, but we don't have any pink. Okay, watch. It goes on pink. It actually stays kind of pink, but grab that glitter look, you guys. That is some serious glitter, and it does stay kind of clumpy, but you can actually, the more you rub it around, you can actually spread the clumps out, and you just end up with gorgeous glitter. Oh, that's pretty. And it's not sticky or greasy or anything. It goes on perfectly dry. We're going to be glittering for the next month, probably just with that.
I'll smell it.
But wow.
Smell it. Doesn't it smell like a strawberry almost?
I can't smell. If it does, it's a smell I can't smell.
It's almost a little bit of a fruity smell, but whatever it is.
I'm going to have glitter on my nose.
Look at this, folks.
It's gorgeous.
So, glitter lovers, buy this box.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm pulling out the next pretty heart box. And this one says Jelly Much, Moon and Stars. And this is a gel eyeshadow.
Ooh, we've never tried a gel eyeshadow.
Yeah, a gel. Well, we've got liquid eyeshadows.
Yeah.
We've got
Powder.
cream eyeshadows, but a gel eyeshadow. Oh wow, this I can see the theme. That is the most beautiful. It's an iridescent kind of color shift, pinky peach. But that is gorgeous. Ooh, it's
That's
like
gonna
a
be pretty
iridescent
on. I
coral
can't wait
color.
to try that color.
But that is so pretty.
Beautiful.
All right, pick something else.
Something else with hearts called Ultra Glossy Lip. Now, I will tell you that I have been buying their lip and pencil sets that go together because
they're gorgeous.
They're beautiful colors on. Every one of the colors have gone with my skin tone perfectly. I mean, and the staying power, which I don't have an issue with it staying all day like some people do, but I'm like, the colors are perfect and I love the formulas, so
they're gorgeous.
So
now,
look
for
at
a
this.
lipstick to stay on her all day long is not really saying anything. Anything she wears stays on all day. Anything I wear comes off in 5 minutes.
And it's called One Kiss.
Aww.
So to see lip products, they're
ooh,
it looks like it goes with the eyeshadow color. It's like a milky apricot with a little bit of glitter inside.
That's beautiful.
Oh, yeah, it has glitter in it. So this is going to be a sheer apricot-y, sparkly look, and it goes perfect with this. Oh, nice.
Okay, I'm gonna. That might be everything that's literally heart themed, at least that I can see so far. So I'm gonna pull out the Luxe Liquid Lipstick, and I'm guessing that's the color Heads Up Velvet. Oh, that's pretty.
That's a nice neutral pink
I have
color.
like 5 this color, so I'm not going to swatch it, but that's really pretty.
It is a
and
nice
this is a liquid
color.
Lipstick. Very pretty.
And
I can't wait to see.
This is called Blotted Lip.
If it's really that color,
if it's really that pink, it's going in my bathroom immediately because I will wear it in the summertime.
Oh, I think it really is that color.
Oh, look at the pretty container with the little star sparkles.
That's pretty. I love their packaging.
Yeah, their packaging and P. Louise packaging is fun.
It
is that color.
It's like
so
crayon Barbie pink.
Yes, so this is going to be mine. Oh, it goes on sheer.
Oh, it's
I swiped it 2 or 3 times to get it that deep.
So you can build it.
So you can build it, and it's like a creamy lip gloss lipstick. So this is going in my bathroom because it's going to be mine spring
Also, I
and
can't wear
summer.
that color pink. So.
And she can't wear that color pink. So yay for Krista.
Okay, this one looks just fancy.
It does. Looks elegant.
Another lipstick, and this box has like angel wings under the label, under the Luxe.
Which still goes with Valentine's Day.
And this is called Digits. So, let's see. Ooh, it's shiny.
Ooh, pretty too.
The tube even has little stars on it.
Oh, how pretty.
Oh my word.
Oh, it got a...
It's been smooshed up in the top. You can even see inside the top.
Yeah.
But that is a really pretty kind of chocolate color.
Watch it since it's already smooshed. Ooh, that's nice for wintertime.
That's really pretty.
That's a really pretty
It's definitely
color.
a chocolate Hershey Kiss brown. That is really pretty.
Oh, that's a nice look for an evening look.
Mm-hmm. I would probably add a little sparkle to it, but that's nice in it. It's a really soft formula.
Yeah, their formula is very soft.
All right, grab one.
Let's see. So it looks like we have another. It's called Glowing Lip.
There's a lot of lip products in here, which, you know, Valentine's Day kissing.
Lipstick, and it's called Let's Jet.
Ooh. So it's the same kind of thing as the pink, but it's that color.
But it's like the lipstick she just opened, almost like but not maybe as deep a brown, but a very nice.
This one has a touch of pink to it.
Touch of pink, neutral. Go with most skin types, I would say, almost or all of them.
And now for the fun pile, there are 2 eyeshadow palettes in here. Ooh. The first one is Aura and Out. We have never had this one. We've gotten a couple of duplicate palettes with these mystery boxes, but not ever this one. And I'm wondering with the name if it's a bunch of color shifts.
Oh, if it is, it's going to go in my room too.
Okay.
Beth will probably fight me for it.
Oh, yeah.
If she can open it.
We share occasionally. Oh,
Ooh,
my.
look at these pretty colors. Greens and whites and blue and yellow.
And you can see there are some definitely colors. I don't know that they're really color
Sparkles.
shifting, but they're sparkly, shimmery colors and some mattes. But those are beautiful.
Beautiful colors.
And I love the little
Those would be perfect for
decorations.
Easter colors, springtime.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
because
yeah.
there's yellows,
But
greens,
that's like
and
a
blues.
colors. The
Yeah,
white
this
ones.
little white one's kind of iridescent.
Yeah, iridescent. And even that palette, it has little hearts around the outside of the.
Yeah.
So it does go with the Valentine
And there is
theme.
a mirror behind here. It's just frosted over, so you have to take the peel off of it.
And so our last palette is Valentine's
It
theme.
is another heart one.
Oh my goodness.
And it's a big one.
Lost in Love, and it is a huge palette. Oh, look at the packaging.
It's
oh,
so pretty. This is a 12 pan palette.
Look,
So
the pretty in the back. It has the names in a raised heart print, which is so cool.
Oh, it's
Oh,
gorgeous. Look
people,
at these colors.
Look at those
Let me take
pinks
this
and
off. Watch your finger.
pinks and roses. Oh my goodness, this is perfect for Valentine's Day. The shimmers and the mattes. I love this palette. Oh my goodness, look
It's
at that.
beautiful.
Totally
And they kind of go
smitten.
into kind of like the corally, like that
Yeah,
one eyeshadow.
Like over on this end is like corals that goes with the other eyeshadow
and pulling
jellies
into like mauves.
and matches some of the lip colors we've gotten. So this you can put together a whole nice
Yeah.
face look.
The only thing we're missing is some blush. But you could
And I
probably use
love
some
that
of these and
This palette feel too of the packaging on this one is very nice, and it's raised.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, this
So
was
how
fun.
many did we actually get? It said 8 or more.
Okay, so
I have 5 over here.
and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here.
We got 10 items in ours. From what I've seen from watching previous unboxings of other people when they get the mystery box, they are typically the same items. There might be some variances, but we got pretty much their entire Valentine set,
Yes.
I would think. I mean, all these beautiful
Eyeshadows,
same
lips.
theme products.
Yeah, look,
We got 4 absolute Valentine gorgeous.
body glitter, lipsticks, gel eyeshadows, powder eyeshadows. I mean, that's
are so
that's a
pretty.
good amount of Valentine
Yeah.
themed amazingness. And then there was even hearts
Yeah.
in this palette. So
Wow, this was a good one. $49 again. Look for that coupon when you log in. I will
Yeah.
leave the link to the ColourPop website. This is still available. I don't have a promotion code or anything to give you, but when you log in, there's usually something as soon as you log onto the website that says, "Hey, do this, sign up for email or whatever, and get a discount." Do that, get your discount.
yes,
That was a fun one.
that was amazing.
Thank you guys for joining us on this unboxing for ColourPop. I would love for you to hit that like button, and if you did like the video and want to see more content like that, hit the subscribe button. But for now, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.